Hello everyone, my name is Austin from Acura, and today I'll be showing you guys a tutorial on how to store your radio presets in your 2020 Acura ILX A-Spec. So, in order to access this feature, we must first go to the center console. And once we get to the center console, what we're going to do, for example, if you want to store this 88.9 FM station, what you're going to do is click on either one of these presets right here. You get up to 12 presets that you could pick from, but for this example we're going to do the first preset. So if you want to save the 88.9, what we're going to do is we're going to replace this by holding it for a couple seconds, and once you hear that click, it should store that preset for you in the first preset. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this tutorial, you guys. My name is Austin from Acura, and thank you guys for watching.